In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Elden Ring Nightreign to enable cheats like infinite health, stamina, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I gonna turn on this one hit kill. To show you guys it's working, just minimize this and get back to the game. Just one hit, kill that. As you can see, it's way more easier to play now. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.